Hello, my name is Sophia, this is Face Canvas, and today you're going to be watching me turn myself into a spooky, scary scarecrow. Before anything else, I had my foundation on previously, and my contacts are from Contacts Lens Hub, and you can find them on Instagram. So after priming my eyelids, I went in with an orange shade and I applied it to my whole lid. And then after doing it on the other eye, I went in with a slightly bigger, slightly fluffier brush to kind of blend it out a little bit more. And then I decided that the scarecrow really needed a little bit of glam, and so I decided to go in with the orange glitter that I have from A Devil's Kiss, and you can also find them on Instagram, and I use their orange shade, I believe it is called Hunty. Using the same orange eyeshadow and a bigger brush, I applied the orange all over my cheeks and pretty much all over the rest of my face, kind of to give it like a nice blush slash also bronzer feel. And now I'm going in with a slightly darker than the orange, a little bit of a light brown color, and I'm mapping out where I want my smile to be. I'm bringing it from the corner of my mouth all the way up to the tops of my ears. So since I want this to eventually be the depth that is coming out from the black, I'm taking a bigger brush and I'm just blending it out a little bit. Now that I've got that down, I'm going in with a darker brown eyeshadow and I'm going over the orange that I just put down. Also, I was doing a live stream during this, so you'll see me talking a little bit, but not too much. And you want to get this right where you put the original dark orangish, light brownish line, but this one you're not going to blend out as much. And then I also put it on my mouth just to connect the two sides. And now I'm going to start doing the mouth gash slits, if you will. And I really wanted this to be a creepy, jagged type of a look because I thought that would be a little bit more unsettling than if they were all straight. So I did one straight and then one diagonal and then another one diagonal the other way, but maybe a little bit shorter. And then just to break up the same pattern of the look, I did an X on each side. And then all the way up by the tippy top of my ear, I made them smaller as it went away. And after I figured out exactly where I want the placement of it to be, I went over all of it with my black eyeliner. I used the Mehron Paradise Paint palette just in the shade black, but if all you have is eyeliner, then it will work perfectly fine just like that, since it's just details and you're not doing it all over your face. Then on this side, I wanted it to look a little bit different even from the other side, and so this first one here I'm doing kind of like a cracked look by making each side go in different directions at a time, and it made it into a nice little cracked, spooky type of a look. And when I'm making these slits, I am making them into slightly like a diamond shape, if you can see. When it gets closer to the line, I make it just a little bit thicker. And this will help make it look nice and pretty and spooky. And I did the same thing on this side, where once I got closer towards the ear, I made them smaller, and I like doing a little bit of an X too. And then taking my eyeliner, I'm making my winged eyeliner. Nothing too special here, just my daily eyeliner look on both eyes. And then I put on some lashes and some mascara. And then I went back in the smile and I made it a little bit thicker to give it more of an unsettling feel. Then I did my eyebrows, and then after I did them with my normal eyebrow color, I put them in black. And then as you can see, I ended up doing a little bit of lines on my forehead, but this is the look, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a comment and like and subscribe and all that stuff. And thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.